If you want to record your videos horizontally with full screen at 4K quality by using the Blackmagic camera on iPhone, I show you. You just open the app and in default it would be like this. The preview screen will be in reduced size and the options are occupy the lot of space. So first you need to open settings app and under camera you can see this option enable vertical video. Just toggle this on. Now you can see the full screen vertical format. If you swipe up like this, the options will be gone. You can easily record the video. In this case, we want to shoot the video in horizontal. So just swipe down here, turn off auto rotate, rotate the phone, boom. So if you want the 4K, just swap like this. Here you can see 4K. You can also control that on settings, record resolutions 4K. You can control lot of things. Just hit the record. Let's see it's working or not. I just open gallery. So this is the video. You can see the resolution. It's 100% 4K. You can see that 4K. It's in horizontal format, the landscape format. So this is how you need to do. And if you want to know more videos about Blackmagic camera, you need to watch this playlist.